He kept a cassowary on his Florida farm, one of the world's deadliest birds, standing 6 feet tall with 4-inch razor claws. On April 2019, Marvin Hajos, 75, fell near its fence. The bird attacked instantly, slashing his face, neck, and arm with lethal kicks. One strike severed his brachial artery. He called 911 himself, but died from blood loss within minutes. The cassowary's talon wounds triggered cardiac arrest. Investigators confirmed it was his own exotic pet that killed him, proving some animals are simply too dangerous to own.